Hello, welcome to the Jerome Library. I'm going to give you a quick overview of the services that we provide, but what I really want you to take away from this video is that the University Libraries is here to help. The first floor of the library has 4 different places where you can get help. The Research and Information Desk, where you can chat with a librarian. The Circulation Desk, where you can check out items and/or pick up any books you have requested from other libraries. The Learning Commons, which provides tutoring and academic coaching for free to students. And the Collab Lab, a place for innovation. They can help with learning new software programs, especially in regards to the Adobe Suite and other tools to help you design and create. The first floor also holds the bulk of our main book collection, which includes hundreds of thousands of books. The second through the 6th floor houses the special collections. These areas may be tied to certain majors, but all can be used by anyone for research purposes or entertainment. Those include the Curriculum Research Center, the Music Library and Bill Shirk Sound Archives, the Brown Popular Culture Library, and the Center for Archival Collections. The 7th and 8th floors are also study areas. While the library is big, our largest collection is our e-resources. As a BGSU student, you have access to the information as well as the people who help you find the information from wherever you are, near or far. Like we said, we are here to help you. Some services and spaces may be different than in the past, but the one thing that has not changed is that the library staff is here to support you. Check out the library website and explore all you can access as a BGSU Falcon.